Hallo und herzlich willkommen auf dem YouTube-Kanal des Friedrich-Bauer Biomedcenter Bayreuth. Im heutigen Video möchte ich Ihnen einen Teil der anderen Aussteller auf der Rapid.Tech 2016 vorstellen. Dies ist ein Teil der dreiteiligen Videoserie, der Ihnen einen kleinen Überblick über die anderen Stände der Messe verschaffen soll. Nun wünsche ich Ihnen viel Spaß beim Video. I'm here with Mr. Kilburn from the LPW Technologies, and if you could just explain who you are and what you're doing.
Hiya, I'm Phil Kilburn from LPW. I'm Commercial Director. LPW specialises in supplying metal powders to the additive manufacturing industry. So we understand the processes that you're using and your material requirements to give you best optimum results from your machines. We supply over 400 different alloys for use in the machines, and we size them and specify them specifically for your requirements for either the materials or the machines as you require. As people's requirements for powder increases from a few kilos for making prototypes and desk ornaments and moving to production, the requirements are moving from ordering 10, 20, 30 kilos up to half a ton of powder at a time. And to store and to track this powder is difficult. So we've introduced this powder trace unit, which allows you to store up to half a ton of titanium powder. It's stored in the hopper. It's backfilled with argon, and so it's stored in an atmosphere. Also, we monitor the system, so we look at the oxygen levels, the temperature, the humidity, and the load. So we can track this, and we have a software powder sort where we can store this information once the powder starts to be used. So as well as transporting, you can also store the powder in here, again monitoring on a permanent basis, and you can link this into your machine, so you've got loading directly into the machine if that's what you require. It's fully customizable, and we can design this and help you with optimizing your storage solutions. In addition to the powder storage, we also offer a powder analysis system. So we have an in-house laboratory where we can do specific testing and qualifying of materials as you're using the powder on an ongoing basis. But we also supply what we call a powder flow kit. And this is a simple test that you can carry out at the side of the machine. So we have a whole flow, a flow device, so you can check the flow of the powder. We've also have a density cup, so you can check the density of the powder, and this can also be used for checking the angle of repose with a height gauge to check the flow of the powder on a regular basis. This is all carried out to ASTM specifications, and we supply spreadsheets to help you with the data storage processing. So tying all this together, we also have a powder management software which is used as a quality management system. It can be standalone, or it can work in conjunction with your ERP system or quality management system that you already have in place. So what we're trying to do is, rather than just supplying the powder, is we're looking at the total powder management system. So a solution for production parts that will allow you to have the confidence to manufacture components without powder and have full traceability with this in the event that should anything ever go wrong. So you can track that if something happens in 2 years' time, what happened with the powder, what condition was it in, and how can we have confidence that the product was manufactured to the optimal process.
So thanks to Mr. Kilburn from LPW Technologies. It's been amazing with you.